of grade 1. I am Parveen Powala, head of the primary department, and I welcome you all to the BVS family. I am not wearing a mask because the one who's taking the video is more than 6 feet away from me. Today we have arranged a virtual tour of the school so that our new parents and students can have a look at the BVS Parsi High School. Parents, we have given you a file at the time of admission. We request you all to please keep on referring to this file time and again because it answers your queries. So let us go around the school. Grade 1 students, this is my office and this is our Akil Bhai. He is the caretaker. He will take care of all the little ones until they get accustomed to the school. BVS has 2 entrance and exit gates, one on my right and the other on my left. When you'll come to school in the morning, due to the ongoing pandemic, our guards will check your temperature. Another will sanitize your hands. Children, nobody will be allowed to shake hands with the guard. Grade 1 students, this is the morning assembly area for the primary from Tuesday to Friday. Grade 1 students will all assemble here where grade 1A is written. Grade 1B will assemble here and this is for grade 1C. We will have our morning assembly where we sing the national anthem and the school song every morning. This is the school canteen, but grade 1 students, you are not allowed to use the canteen. You will have to bring your tasty, healthy food which mummy makes to have during the break time. This is Mr. Naveed Shah, our admin in charge. All the van issues and administration issues are being dealt by him. This is Mrs. Ratasha Asad Khan, our administrator. She deals with all the admin issues of BVS. Grade 1 students. This is a wooden staircase which leads up to the principal's office. But no student is allowed to use this staircase. Dear parents and students, this is the bust of the founder of our school, Seth Shapurji Hormazji Sopariwala. Meet his elder son, Seth Kharshedji Shapurji Sopariwala, and his younger son, Seth Jamshedji Shapurji Sopariwala. It is because of these personalities that today we are here in this grand institution. I will introduce our grade 1A students and parents to grade 1A teacher, Mrs. Uzma Javed. Let us go into your class. This is your class, grade 1A, and Miss Uzma will take your English language and English literature. Grade 1B, meet your new class teacher, Mrs. Rahila Ezaz. Grade 1B, this is your new class and Miss Rahila will be taking your English language and English literature. Mrs. Jasmine Karanjia is the class teacher of grade 1C. So grade 1C, let us go into your new class. Grade 1C, this is your new class and Miss Jasmine will be taking maths and general science. Let me introduce you to your grade 1 Urdu teacher, Miss Noreen Sabri. This is Miss Sobia Firdaus, our Islamiyat teacher for grade 1. Grade 1 students, this is Ms. Shala Anwar. She'll be taking maths for grade 1A and 1B and the cursive writing. This is Varisha, an art teacher for grade 1. She will teach the different art techniques and also interesting art and craft activities. Grade 1, meet our music instructor, Mr. Arif Bharucha.
Hello.
He will teach you all the nice songs for the concert and the sing-along. And I hope you will enjoy your music lessons with Sir Arif. This is our health room. Let us meet our doctors, Dr. Samreen and Dr. Asfia. And they have 2 assistants. These doctors will take care of all your health issues at school. They have an annual checkup also of all the students of BVS. This is a big indoor games area. When it is too hot or cold outside, the students are brought in here to play the games. These are our physical training instructors, Mr. Suraj Chauhan and Mr. Javer Lakshman. Grade 1 students, you will enjoy your physical training period with our 2 physical training instructors. This is the big ground, but grade 1 students, you are not allowed to play here during the break or afterwards, as this is mostly used by the senior boys. You can see the big stage here. Every Monday, the whole school has a general assembly in this ground where all the 4 houses salute the principal who is standing on the stage, and there is a big grand march past along with the school band. This is the primary library. Let us now go into the library. Let us meet your librarians, Miss Zainab Hussain, Miss Ismat and Miss Sana. They will tell you stories and you can read the wonderful books that are in the library. This is the story corner, where our librarians will tell our little ones stories in Urdu and English, and then they'll ask you questions on the stories. You will enjoy a lot over here with our librarians. Listen to their stories and then repeat those stories at home to your parents. BVS also has a clinical psychologist, Mrs. Javeria. Parents, if at all you have any psychological issues of the children, you are free to contact the clinical psychologist. While our Muslim students will be doing the Islamiyat period, our Hindu and Christian students will come in this room where our teacher, Ms. Chandra, will teach them the Hinduism religion as well as the moral science. Grade 1 students, this is the entrance to your toilets. These toilets are used by only grade 1 and grade 2 students. This is the maid who will assist you. She's present here all the time. This is the computer lab. And meet your computer teacher, Miss Madiha Aslam. It will be your favorite subject. You will come here for your computer studies.